Tuxedo.
Down, down on the, down, down on the.
We all been there some days. Thought I needed something else and acted like I was okay. We just had to work it out. And baby, I needed space. Ain't nobody around here on your level. You're so far away. You pouring your heart out. I'm acting like I knew. You held me so down I never grew up. I tried to find out when none of them came through. And now I'm stuck in the middle, and baby had to pull me out. Oh, like you. I found it hard to find someone like you. Send your location.
Yeah, damn Papa, you a rare breed, no comparing. And it's motherfucking scary. Tryna keep them cause I found them. Let a hoe know I ain't motherfucking sharing. I could take it to the parents in the party, plan a motherfucking wedding. You the type of one to marry, and keep it married. I put the ring on when you're ready. We play our fantasies out in real life ways, and no final fantasy. Can we end these games though? You give me energy, make me feel lightweight, like a birds of a feather, baby. We real life made for each other, and it's hard to keep my cool when other bitches tryna get with my dude, and when other chickens tryna get